MS Excel allows you to hide any sheets you don't need to organize your workbook. There are a couple of ways to hide Excel sheets. Right-click on the Sheet tab and select Hide. The sheet will become hidden. The hidden sheet still exists. Any formulas and references to that sheet will still work. However, you won't be able to jump to any references or hyperlinks to the hidden sheet. Click any sheet, hold the Shift or Control key, and select Other Sheets. Right-click on any of the selected sheets, and then select the Hide option. Select the sheet. Go to the Home tab. In the Cells group, expand the Format option. Point over to Hide and Unhide, and select the Hide Sheet option. Go to the View tab. In the Show group, click Navigation. The navigation pane will appear. Right-click on the sheet that you want to hide, and select the Hide option. Note that the sheet will still be listed in the navigation pane, but it will appear grayed out. Select the sheet. Go to the Developer tab. In the Controls section, click Properties. Confirm the name of the sheet. Then, set the visibility property to Hidden. There is also an interesting option that allows you to hide a sheet in a way that makes it difficult for other users to unhide it easily. Go to the File menu and click Options. Click Advanced. Under Display Options for this workbook, uncheck Show Sheet tabs. Press the OK button. This will hide all the sheets. You can navigate to different sheets using Ctrl plus page up or down keys. If all the sheets are hidden, you can unhide them using the Excel options. Unhide using the right-click option. You can also use the Format option on the Home tab. The very hidden sheets can only be unhidden using the VBA editor.